again. My name is Amy Denny, and I'm here to describe some calculator functions for the new GED calculator, which is the TI-30XS. In the last lesson, we did multiplication of fractions, addition, subtraction, division. Now we're going to look at mixed numbers. So if we have a mixed number, and I'm going to write this down, 5½ divided by 3 3/4. If we were to do this manually without a calculator, we would have to change these mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then we'd have to remember to flip the second one in division. The great thing about the calculator is it does all of that for you. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and clear out my memory from the last lesson, and to do that I click on and clear, and I hit those at the same time, and I have memory cleared there. And that lets me know that I'm ready to do the next problem. Okay, in order to do the next problem, I need to go to the fraction button, but instead of hitting that button, I am going to go second and then hit the fraction button. And basically what that does is it lets me do the mixed number. And you notice that there's a blinking light here over the whole number. So I'm going to go ahead and put in that whole number, 5. Okay, now in order to get to the fraction, which is now what I need to enter the half, I'm going to go right. And see, now it's blinking over the numerator. So I'm going to put in a 1 there, and then I'm going to do my down arrow and put a 2. Now make sure that you hit your right arrow again to let the calculator know that you have finished with that fraction. Now I'm going to hit what we're supposed to do, or the operator key, and that's dividing, because this is a division fraction problem. Now I come up and I hit the second again, because we're going to be dividing by a mixed number. And I hit the numerator over denominator. So now on the calculator I have a blinking light for the whole number. And I'm going to enter the whole number in 3, then my right arrow, 3, down arrow, 4, right arrow. Okay, now the calculator knows that I have entered in that mixed number. Now the great thing about it is I hit enter, and oh, lo and behold, there is my answer. All the work is done. Okay, now let's say I wanted to express this answer as a mixed number. So we can do that by hitting the second button, and then see this little X10N? Okay, we're going to hit that button because that's going to let me toggle from an improper fraction to a mixed number. So I'm going to hit that, and then you see all this looks like gibberish on the screen. That's just basically telling us we're toggling, and then I hit enter, and there is the mixed number for that. Let's say I wanted to then express it as a decimal. I can hit my toggle button right above the enter, and there is the decimal equivalent of 1 7/15. And that concludes this lesson on mixed numbers.